On InterNACHI's inspection community message board, the forum, we posted a recent survey of real estate agents and recommended inspector tips. From the survey, 71% of the real estate agents polled in the Homes.com survey say that they anticipate closing transactions in the next 30 to 60 days. That's fantastic. So, what should home inspectors do to get ready for this pent-up demand for home inspections? During this COVID-19 time, we recommend that home inspectors focus on the following business and marketing tasks. 1. Work on branding and marketing. We have a link there. 2. Improve social media presence. And we have a link there. 3. Learn MailChimp and or Constant Contact to keep in contact with past clients. Work on branding and boosting your own business website. And 5th, do this entire list of recommended business and marketing tasks if you haven't scheduled a home inspection today. And all of those have links. According to the survey, 68% of real estate agents are staying in touch with clients by texting. So click the link to learn how to incorporate texting into your business website. 63% of the real estate agents in the survey believe that in a post-pandemic real estate world, the digital focus on transactions will remain. So that means you have to get your business online. Click the link to learn how to build and boost a free inspection business website. We'll show you how. Update your InterNACHI membership profile in order to get free inspection job leads, and we'll show you how at that link. Agents are shifting the way they do business and marketing themselves, and home inspectors should too. Now is the time to 1. Communicate that you do COVID-19 safe inspections. 2. Keep in contact with agents and clients and neighbors. And 3. Use an open schedule to boost your social media posts and your inspection business website. And all of these business and marketing tasks and tips are taught in the InterNACHI free online masterclass for home inspectors at nachi.org/masterclass.